one of the important thing is safe mode. So as I said earlier, so when we are working in our system, so currently I'm working in my system in a normal mode or a full mode, means full drivers, hardware drivers are working, full applications are working, background services are running. I can play games, I can do audio, video, everything is working fine. Working. That is a full mode. I'm missing. But safe mode is not that one. Safe mode is a minimal operating system. Means basic operating system only it loads. No other things like a background themes, background what we can say desktop wallpaper kind of stuff. Okay, the background services, certain drivers like audio video drivers. These are all won't run in a safe mode. What is the use of this one? It is used for troubleshooting. We use safe mode. We go to the safe mode for a troubleshooting. For do certain kind of troubleshooting things in a safe mode only. Okay. In the safe mode, most of the device drivers don't work. Audio drivers, video drivers, network related drivers. So most of the drivers won't work here. Basic supporting related drivers only it will work. Not all background services or background process and applications won't run here. Virus kind of stuff because of background process or background services are not running. Okay, background process or services are not running. The virus related connectivity is also not there. Antivirus kind of stuff also won't work. Why? Because of antivirus is also an application runs in background. What is the use of this? Go to safe mode. What we can able to do by going to safe mode? We cannot delete a files or virus files, which we cannot able to do in normal mode. I have a file, so the file I cannot able to delete because of it is controlled by system or other service or maybe a virus related service it is controlled. So I cannot able to delete the file. So I can go to safe mode and I will delete the file. I know this file is virus content file. My antivirus is also ignoring, or maybe I don't have an antivirus. So what I will do, I will go to the safe mode and I will delete it. I will uninstall applications which I cannot able to uninstall in normal mode. Sometimes the applications like a antivirus kind of applications runs in the background always. So you want to try to uninstall that application. So while application is running, either foreground or a background application is running, you cannot uninstall it. So antivirus is always runs. It is always runs. So I cannot able to do anything. So what I do? So I go to the safe mode and I will try to uninstall the applications. Certain drivers, device drivers, guys, again, drivers, device drivers are drivers. So look at here. This is important point. There may be no, it's the notes is not there, but I said hardware part and operating system application layer. Okay, operating system, 2 parts. One is interact with the user, provide a environment to run an application supporting application related. And another one is hardware, deals with your hardware components like a CPU, RAM, hard disk. Okay, just we are telling these things, but also you want to hear a voice means you need an audio chip. It is on your motherboard only audio chip is there. But your operating system may not understand how to work with this audio chip. Maybe you have a graphic card, your operating system may not understand how to work with this graphic card. Okay, you have a network Wi-Fi adapter is there, or maybe wired adapter is there. Your operating system may not know how to work with these things. Okay. So operating system kernel part actually dealing with your hardware, but that is given by with Microsoft or maybe a Red Hat or something. You got your kernel, you got it. But hardware, all hardware information, all type of hardware information may not available in your operating system. For example, I install a new network card. My operating system kernel don't know how to interact with this, kind of drive part. Or maybe I connected a printer. I connected a printer. My operating system don't know how to work with this printer. You should understand what it is, what type of device it is, how to communicate with this particular device. Operating system should know, but it don't know. So what we will do? We install a device drivers. What is device drivers? For a particular device, there is a piece of program is there, or a piece of software is there. We install the device drivers. So these drivers helps our kernel. So drivers are located at a kernel level only. Whenever you install a printer drivers, the main printer communication drivers will go to the kernel level of operating system. So it helps the kernel. So your operating system now how to communicate with this printer. Or if I install for this particular NIC, so your operating system now how to be deal with the NIC. How to deal with the audio chip or video chip, graphic cards. Okay. So what is the device drivers, guys? Device drivers also a piece of program. It is software or a program which helps our operating system to understand the device and understand how to communicate with the particular device. That is a device drivers. Understand, guys, what is the device drivers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dev mgmt.ms. You can go to control panel. Also, you can open this device management. So it is my Wi-Fi kind of stuff, rightly. Properties. See, this is a network adapter working properly. Advanced, some settings you can do it. Drivers, install drivers. Okay. So it is a Intel model, right? Intel build this one. My Wi-Fi 6 kind of stuff. So this is Intel. So what is the driver's date, driver's version, driver signature? I want to update the drivers, updated drivers. I want to see the details of the driver. See where the program is located, drivers related. Rollback drivers. I want to go back to the previous driver version, disable the device, uninstall the device. Details, events, resources is telling these things. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, there was one question. Suppose like we have a Lenovo laptop, right, sir? Uh,
Okay. Yeah.
so we can't install, suppose HP's drivers in Lenovo's laptop.
Very good.
Yeah. So why is that, sir? Like like it should not oppose any software, right? If it's a hardware, it's like what is it doing? I don't understand it.
Actually, Lenovo, HP, this particular laptop is Dell laptop. Okay. These are brands only. Just for a branding to show people. So they are selling. They assembled the laptop or a desktop and they put a label is with a manufacturing like brand we trust. Okay, brand wise we can. So I have a very good knowledge on a hardware, networking, Windows servers, storage devices. Like I have very good knowledge. So I said I will teach you. Then you don't trust me. But if I said I'm from Microsoft. I'm from the Dell company trainer. I'm from the HCL company trainer. I'm from the 70s. You will trust me, right? So it is a brand material. So it's a label only. Okay. So I don't require example, but this is a brand, Lenovo Dell brand. But if you see what is there inside, inside is the motherboard is manufactured by a different company, maybe Intel or a Gigabit or a MSI kind of stuff. The processor that we are using, whether it is a Dell or Lenovo or a HP, Intel processor or AMD processor only. Okay, so Lenovo not manufacturing processor, at least. Okay, RAM we are using different type of RAMs we are using, right? So of course DDR3, DDR4 we are using, but RAM is manufactured by different companies again. Okay, so HyperX, HyperNext something is there. Last time I Toshiba, Samsung. These are all Corsair.
So, sir, like, sir, I'm asking
Very
that, so like, can we install others manufacturer drivers in other manufacturers laptop?
I'm telling. In this
Yes, sir.
one, I have an audio chip which is manufactured by Realtek, for example.
Yes, sir.
It's a Realtek audio chip or a Realtek NIC is there. So this is I showed Realtek. This is a Realtek NIC. This is Intel NIC. This one is accept these particular models, Realtek, and that specific model drivers only we have to install. It's not belongs to Dell or HP. It is belongs to Realtek.
Oh,
Understand?
uh, understand, sir. Sir, but there are some drivers now, sir, like which are like specifically made for a particular manufacturer. I mean, suppose like
Yeah.
the
Understand. For
keyboards or
example,
or
this is Dell Latitude with some number is there. Okay, with certain model. So I search in a Google about this model. So I go to the Dell website. I download download the drivers for this particular laptop. But it is a combination of multiple drivers into one place. So it make more easy. So if it is a specific model like a Realtek audio chip, I have to download Realtek audio chip drivers from Realtek or my Dell company, no problem. But it is a Realtek one only. I have a
okay,
HP printer. I cannot install Epson printer drivers. I have to install HP drivers, HP printer drivers plus that particular model drivers only. Even model is also very specific.
okay. I mean, the hardware is already calibrated with those. I mean, those things.
Yeah, each hardware manufacturer will tell this is my hardware, this is the way it will understand, this is the way it will communicate. To help
Okay,
that communication, this is the drivers you require.
understand, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, it is a pretty straight one, so that is very easy. Otherwise, if you want a example, like yeah, so we can take bikes. Scooter is a two-wheeler, cycle is a two-wheeler, bike is a two-wheeler, Pulsar bike is two-wheeler, Hero Honda, Hero Splendor Plus is also a two-wheeler, right? But different way of function is there, no? Different way of the turn on or maybe basic driving is same, but gear may be different and gear instructions may be different, clutch instructions may be different, location may be little different, right? So that's why we cannot put a different drivers for the manufacturers. Even I have very old laptop. That's a constant network drivers. It is because it's connection related. The specific model is even I download a connection drivers, I installed it, it's not working. So why it is not working, I don't understand. Then I will download one package. It will tell you what type of model it is. Then I find out what model, SRCD, some model is there. So when then I downloaded that specific model, then I installed it, then it is working. Okay. So that's the good thing actually. It's a good discussion. It is. Okay. So guys, device drivers helps to communicate to the devices, audio chips, graphic cards, NICs, printers, scanners. Okay, so these are the things. Mostly, most of the devices are compatible. USB connectivities, not required much drivers. Bluetooth drivers, reconnecting Bluetooth devices, sometimes it automatically recognize. Sometimes you have to install that specific Bluetooth device. So sometimes guys, point is here. So certain applications, certain device drivers, if it is not working properly, or maybe you want to remove it because of it is giving some issues. Normal mode you may not install, but in safe mode we can uninstall it. Certain changes you want to make it or you want to go for system restoration. I will explain system restoration separately. After this one, I will explain system restoration. Okay, certain system we want to do the system restoration things. Okay, we can go to safe because in safe mode, the background applications, the background services, the foreground applications also not much supporting. Okay, so in a safe mode, it is a minimal operating system, no heavy running in system. So you want to go to safe system restoration. Also, you can easily try, you can get it. Okay. Mainly why we go to safe mode
Hello, sir.
for troubleshooting purpose only.
Hello, sir.
Better you tell me.
Sir, is any driver for the webcam?
Webcam, generally it is a USB connecting webcam. We read webcam drivers also sometimes may it will required. Sometimes like if it is USB connected webcam, operating system generally based on PNP, plug and play, it will recognize and it may load it. If it is not loading, we may require to install drivers. This depends upon your voice. Even
Okay, sir.
laptop built-in webcams will come now. Laptop built-in webcams that also may require drivers sometimes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how to go to safe mode? So I said about safe mode. How to go to safe mode? If you go to the safe mode, guys, you will see this kind of a blank screen. Okay, so nothing on that one. So it is simple blank screen. You will see. How to go to safe mode? There is a two ways to go to safe mode, guys. One way, traditional way, like I told about how to go to BIOS settings. Same way in a safe mode also is a traditional setting is there. In any of Windows system, go to safe mode is simply power on and press F8. Just press the power button and start press F8. You need to wait also. Okay. If you wait, a regular Windows will be loaded. Press the power button or restart the system. So once it is start on, then immediately press F8. Then you will get this kind of screen. Safe mode with networking, safe mode with command prompt, enable boot logging, low resolution video, debugging mode. Okay. So automatic restart on system filter, driver signature enforcement, disable driver signature enforcement, disable early launch anti-malware driver kind of stuff. Okay, so you when you start your PC, immediately anti malware or antivirus kind of stuff will start. You don't want it, then also you can disable that one from here. Okay, so ours is safe mode. If we want to go to safe mode, so then you can select safe mode or safe mode with a networking. Safe mode with net command prompt means it's only command prompt. So you want to go to the certain thing, so then better to go with safe mode and say or a safe mode with networking. Both are good. And another way is like actually three ways. This is a second way. Another way is my system is on. Okay, if your system is on condition, from here also you can go. Okay, so we need to put msconfig. Okay, so open the msconfig. It is a system config. Select boot. Boot tab is there now. So boot tab and select this option, safe mode with networking or minimal, anything, first option or last option. Apply, then it will ask for a reboot now. Then select a reboot now and you'll go to the safe mode. But while you are want to come from the safe mode to normal mode, you have to go to system configuration, means msconfig again, boot and select this option, apply, restart now, you will get a normal mode. Okay, guys, don't do it until unless you know about it properly. Okay, simple, boot, select this option, apply, and restart now. I can't do it because the class will be stopped. So this is the way you can go to sync models like this. I said no, there is another way to go to safe mode. That is, you can go to settings, add update and security, and then recovery. You can see under recovery advanced startup. If you click on restart now, it will ask you restart now. System will be restarted. System will be restarted. Once restarted, you will get this screen. Continue, turn off, troubleshoot. Continue, turn off, troubleshoot. When you select a troubleshoot, you will get these options. Reset this PC. If in case your system is not functioning properly, then you can reset your PC. Option also we are getting here. We have to go to advanced options. I will tell what is this Microsoft Dynasty. So we have to go to advanced options. In advanced options, you have to go to startup settings. You have to go to startup settings. In startup settings, you can see fourth one is safe mode and fifth one is safe mode with networking. So you have to press F4 or F5 to go to safe mode. So these are the three ways to go to totally safe mode. One is, so when you start your PC, so press the power button and press F8 or a shift plus F8. So then you will go to this safe mode screen. Then you have to select safe mode or a safe mode with networking. Next one is, so while system is normally running, so then go to msconfig, select boot tab, select safe mode, and then apply. Or safe mode with networking, apply, restart now, okay. Another one is go to the settings, update, then security, recovery option, advanced startup, so restart now. So it will take you to the screen like this, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, startup settings, then you can able to select enable. So press F4 for enable safe mode, F5 for enable safe mode with networking. Okay, this is the way to go to safe mode, guys. Understand what is the importance of safe mode and how to go to safe mode.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next one is, so what is, I told some points like a uninstall application and all. I'll give you one troubleshooting thing. Generally, we do like this. Okay. people join in a first year of BTech. Nowadays, people are wanting even 8th class people, 7th class people also laptop. Olden days, I'm giving example, little older, old example. So people want a desktop or maybe a laptop in first year of engineering. Very enthusiastic, like I want a laptop, otherwise we can't continue the study. Okay, study stops, kind of stuff. It's okay, father purchase a laptop. Now, people are these kind of freaks now. So when we are engaged, so almost all of we are freak to everything. So people are freaking about like virus. This virus, that virus, system slow virus, system is not on virus, system is on virus. It is always a virus. Some people uh, like to hear some kind of rumors type also. Virus is good, virus is bad. Someone is hacking my system. Someone is controlling my system. Even they didn't done anything, just system is even off condition also, it can be hackable. Okay. Charging a battery is very good, not good. So my battery is 100% now. So people say remove the charger, remove the charger. Charger, if you keep it, battery will be damaged. Okay. So why I'm telling this story, guys. So know about your system, not everything not required, but so basic uses. You use system normally, it works for normally and longer period of time. Okay. So I'm talking about antivirus, virus kind of stuff. So you got a laptop, it already came with some antivirus. It's not a permanent license, maximum 1 month to 3 months maximum. It works in a trial version and the trial version is expires. So either you have to continue, if you want to continue, you have to pay for a renewal and then it will work for another 1 year. So you have to pay for 1 year or 3 years, then it works like that only. Okay. So the point is, so people feel there is a virus in your system, but your antivirus is not finding it. Understand? There is a virus in your system, you are believing like that, and your system is not, your antivirus is not finding that virus. So you believe your antivirus is not working, and your friend given another antivirus, Kaspersky, not 32, not an antivirus. Okay, some Kung Fu Panda kind of stuff. So they install. So they install. Okay. What I'm saying is another antivirus. So already one antivirus is there. So my brother, actually it has happened to my brother and as well as I have seen some of my friends also. They installed two antivirus in the same system. Both antiviruses scanning each other. What is the use of antivirus? It scans every process runs in your system. Every process. You open a notepad, you open a WordPad, you open a browser, or you open a paintbrush. Everything, it scans. It search for some miscellaneous kind of stuff. Okay, so normally antivirus slow down your process because of it scans. If everything is okay, it is allowed to work. You have two antiviruses, means not a double scanning, it is loop scanning. Means antivirus scans another antivirus scanning your antivirus, and both will try to scan your whatever you do in your system, every process. It's your system is become that slow. So what to do? Go to the safe mode, either uninstall any one of the antivirus or both antiviruses and make it normal. Then which one you want to use, that antivirus, you can use it. Okay. So why we should go to safe mode to uninstall? Because normal mode, it is difficult to interact with your system. In safe mode, the background process will stop. So these background applications won't run. So obviously we can easily uninstall these applications. Okay. So to point is that. Guys understand what is the safe mode point?
Yes, sir. What about MRT? Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Rahul.
What about MRT? In the Windows, there is a one antivirus is already installed. What
Yeah,
was
that
that, sir?
also you can use it. Because already in Windows Vista it is introduced. Not that is what we can say. Windows Defender. Okay, so earlier days Windows Defender is a very lighter. So actually it won't protect anything. Very basic protection. That to spyware purpose, spyware community purpose only. Designed for a spyware community purpose only. Okay. So, and also Microsoft security application is there. You can, if you are using genuine Windows operating system, you can directly download Microsoft security application from Microsoft and you can install. That is also, it is works good. Okay. But Microsoft is not meant for an antivirus part. Actually, Microsoft not meant for only this spywares, malwares. This much part they don't have that much. They don't involve in it. So we have to use other antiviruses. If you use other antiviruses, our default antivirus like a Windows Defenders will be disabled. The Kaspersky or Nord32, Avera, Avast, these will work. Okay. So nowadays, even if you don't want to use any antiviruses, specific antiviruses like Kaspersky, Nord32, McAfee kind of stuff, still you can use your default built-in antivirus or a Microsoft any security kind of stuff. Because nowadays, guys, from almost Windows 7 onwards, sorry, Windows 8 onwards, most of us we are using laptops that genuine operating system. We are getting a laptop with operating system. That is already genuine operating system. You paid for operating system already. Okay, you paid for operating system already. So obviously, whatever it is gives, you have to keep update and it will be secure. But again, guys, even it is little powerful compared to earlier, still a specific type of antiviruses is may required sometimes. Really not required. Okay. So if you have any important data, keep it in OneDrive. If you have any important documents, files are there, office related documents or your personal data is there, keep it in a OneDrive. So OneDrive cannot be corrupted. So OneDrive, so anywhere, anytime you can able to access, right? So it is built-in feature of Windows 10 and Windows 11. Keep data in OneDrive. First one. Second one is, if you want, better to take backup regularly. Keep your data in external hard disk. If any attacks happens like ransomware and all, so your system is always protected because you have a backup system only. Something which is issues are there. So you actually nowadays really not required a specific type of antivirus. But if you have a specific type of antivirus, means a separate third party antivirus, that is also good. If you have, that is also good. Because few things we cannot get protected from by default antivirus. I use in my personal laptop, so malware bytes. Okay. So before going to the system restoration, guys, I will tell few points here. These options. Okay. Earlier I said to go to the safe mode, we can go to settings and go to settings, update and security, select recovery, and you can restart now. If you do that one, it will take you to this screen. In this screen, you have to go to troubleshoot. You will get a three options here: reset this PC, advanced options, and Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery toolset. Not only like that, guys, sometimes your system face some issue and you have to do certain troubleshooting. It will take you to this screen automatically. You start a PC, automatically it will take you to this screen because there is an issue, you have to do some troubleshooting. Or if you start, restart your PC for 3-4 times, power off, power on, power off, power on. So system feels something is happened, it will take you to the screen. So better to go normally if you want to see, otherwise leave it, no problem. So reset this PC, already I told system is not working properly, then you can go to reset this PC, but it will take a lot of time, guys. You can install 10 times operating system also because it will take at least 3 to 4 hours for resetting this PC. It reinstall your operating system. It removes your settings and applications. You can keep your personal data or not. You can able to decide it. Next one is advanced options. In advanced options, startup repair. What is this startup repair, guys? When you start your PC, you can see this window, Windows. Keep loading. You start a PC. If you are getting this kind of stuff, Windows logo is there and loading is keep doing like that. It's not giving you to go to get something. Keep loading. This is Windows 7. This is Windows 10 and Windows 8. 8, 10. This is 10. If we are getting this keep loading kind of stuff, okay, it's stuck and this one, okay. So after some time, you can forcibly start your PC 2-3 times. It will take you to the screen and go to advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced option, select start repair, startup repair. So bootable related issues, boot MGR like a boot files related or bootable related issues, Windows keep loading kind of issues, loading, strucking kind of issues can be. Next one is UEFI. UEFI firmware settings. Guys, I told about how to go to BIOS settings. If in case your laptop or a desktop is UEFI, not BIOS, it's a UEFI type of thing is there. You want to go to the BIOS settings or UEFI settings, then you can select UEFI firmware settings. Okay. Next one is you already know the startup settings. Startup settings to you can take to the safe mode and other troubleshooting related settings. Uninstall updates. You can see there is uninstall updates. Uninstall updates. For example, your system is recently updated. You know, Windows is always keep update, right? So yesterday it is updated, today it is not working. Or morning it is updated, now it is not working. Okay, after update, something is goes wrong and you are getting problem. So what to do? You want to uninstall the recent updates. Want to uninstall the recent updates, you can go to uninstall updates. Okay. You want to do certain troubleshooting things using command prompt. Sometimes you have to copy a file from one location to another location, or maybe you have to do some using certain command prompt. You have to change something. Second was I'm getting this number. Hello. Anand. Sorry, guys. Yeah, where are we? So you want to do certain troubleshooting with command prompt, you can do. System restoration, you want to go for a restore your system to earlier system restoration point, you can try system restoration also. System image recovery. Already I told guys, you can take image recovery. Image recovery means your operating system, applications means entire your C drive, entire drive. Plus, if you want any other drive data, you can take it as an image into a backup, not a single files. Entire C drive content, you can take it as a backup. Okay. If system is crashed, hard disk is damaged, or operating system is corrupted, so then you can restore from this backup to your system. Okay. System image backup. You want to do, if you have a system image backup, you want to restore it, then you can do it with a system image. Your system, if your system ever stop working, if you have a system image backup, we can restore system with that backup. Okay. Not only this, one or two additional options can be appear on your system. You guys understand what is the use of these each and every advanced options? Startup repair, startup settings, command prompt, uninstall updates, UEFI settings, and system restoration. No one is speaking again. My mic is disconnected or what?
You are audible, sir.
So if you see this, Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery Tool set. Normally, you required a DART, Microsoft DART, which is from Microsoft only, not third-party tool. If you have this image or a CD or a bootable pen drive, bootable pen drive, it is there. If you boot with this image, or if you are getting this option, also you can go from this option. You get this kind of screen. What is this screen? It is used for basic troubleshooting, guys. So something change in your registry. Now your system is not working properly. You can repair it from here. Locksmith is what is a locksmith means? You forget a password, local account password, you forget it. You can use the locksmith tool from here. Just click on locksmith, select your user, and you can reset the password. Crash analyzer, why your system is crashed. So what is the component failure or application or some means OS related. So we can get a crash analysis. File restorations, disk commander, disk wipes, computer management, help. Explorer, guys, system is crashed, means operating system is crashed, but you have a data in your system. You want to move the data from your actual hard disk to another location. So you can move it from here using Explorer. Your operating system is crashed. You want to reload operating system, then what is the problem? It is, you will get a solution wizards, TCP/IP network related config, hot fixes and installation. You install a hotfix and system is crashed, then you can do hotfix and installations. SFC scan. SFC scan, it will repair your file system. Okay. So this is about your Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery Toolkit. Generally, you want to use it, if you really see that one, so you will understand what it is. Just to know that is there. But these options are very useful in a system troubleshooting, guys, either personal system or anyone system also. The last one here to now, so I will try to tell system restoration. Once I done system restoration, guys, will go to the BSOD after break. Okay. It is also small note only. What is this system restoration point? Okay, what is the system restoration point? Listen carefully, guys. I have a system, and for example, 1st April, I install operating system. There is an applications, and there is a settings and data like this. So I have a system configuration, applications are there, settings are there, some data is there. Good, working good. So on a 5th April, I have taken, or 5th April, I have taken a system restoration point. I created a system restoration point. How to create a system restoration point? I will show you that one. Okay. Yeah. No. This is not what I'm trying to show you. So go to the, yeah, we'll try from settings. Go to settings, system. Scroll down about. Okay, go to about. Go to system protection. System protection. Okay. So again, I'm trying, guys. In the settings, system, about, system protection. System protection. Can you see? The system protection is already on. If
Yes.
yours is off, yeah, tell me.
No, I don't have any question. I'm saying yes, it's there.
Okay, good. So if it is off, then you can turn on. Okay, turn on system protection. You can give 5% or 10% from your disk space only for protecting your system. Okay, so what is that meaning is, so this system is on, and now, for example, up to today, my system is working fine. Settings are good, application installation is good. Okay, at the drivers update, everything is good. Okay. Now I click on a create. Then I'll give some name. I'll click on create. So what will happen? A system restoration point will be created. So system restoration point is created now. Your system is good. Everything is good. Now what happened? I install some other applications. For example, app 1, app 2. So here it is. I install application 3. I uninstall application 2. I install application 2, but I install application 3. I have done certain settings. System got updated. Some updates are happened. Now system is not working. Suddenly today morning I came and system is not working. I got BSOD, or I got a system is become very slow. Okay, very slow. Or it's not functioning as earlier. Something is happening. Something happened. Not because, maybe because of updates, maybe because of certain settings, maybe because of application. I don't know. So I got lot of attention. Then what I've done, I simply restore into the earlier position. Either I go to the safe mode, or maybe I went to this advanced options. I went to the system restoration from here, or from normal PC, or maybe in the safe mode. So I restore my PC to the earlier position, means that time. So what is then? So I click on this system restore. It is recommended restore or choose different restore. So whether it is 6th, yesterday only it is created. Okay, I choose second one, anything, no problem. So one restoration point is created automatically. While installing this application yesterday, I taken a local admin permissions. So I installed an application, VMware Workstation, sorry, Oracle VirtualBox application I installed here. Okay, scan for affected programs. If I, guys, understand, if I restore to that point, what will happen? I may lose some applications. See, I may be lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of stuff. One is Microsoft Edge update. Okay, another one is this VirtualBox application, PuTTY application installed, and these 3 drivers I may lost, and I may get it this one. So I've lost this one. Program and drivers that will be deleted, and you might get this one. Point is that restoration point is created automatically by installing some application, or you have to create the system restoration point manually while system is working good. What is the advantage? Something is happened to your system. Suddenly some system functionality changes, BSOD occurs, or maybe system some settings or updates may cause system problem. So what you can able to restore into the earlier positions. So what are the applications you install that will be gone? What are the settings you have done? What are the updates happen that will be gone? Okay, it might be restore your uninstalled applications or uninstalled updates, uninstalled things. Maybe it will be the older versions or a uninstalled application. You may get it back, but this is this. Okay, what is the use of system restoration point? When system is working fine, you create a system restoration point, or it is created automatically while installing some applications or by system, it is created. So if in case you got a problem, then you can restore into earlier position. Okay, so that is a system restoration point. We can restore system to earlier to the system restoration point. You can undo the system changes by reverting your computer to the previous restoration point. We lost applications, drivers, settings after restoration point. What are the application you installed or settings you've done, updates you have done. So those things will be lost. You may get uninstalled applications after restoration point. If you are uninstall any application settings or drivers or bolder versions, you may get it, may not be get it. What is the use of this restoration point, guys? Restoration for troubleshooting purpose. You install applications or drivers, some changes you have done, you may done some updates, it may causes issues, or maybe like a BSOD system slow kind of stuff. So you want to go back to your system at a good condition things, you can choose system restoration. This system restoration point can be created manually or automatically by applications installation or Microsoft updates. At that time it may create it. So like that. So this is how to restore point. I just try to put it. Okay, guys, take a break. Come back at 12:15. Okay, come back at 12:15. Take a break. Then we'll discuss about a few points about mainly BSOD. And then if your system is slow, what are the things we can able to do it? So then your main hardware part is completed. So Monday, tomorrow class is not there, okay? So take a break, come back and we will discuss.
Sir, please explain DART.
DART. Okay, so this DART will give you several options. Do so many things. Like you forget a password, you can choose locksmith to unlock your password or resetting your password. It will give you explore for you can explore your like C drive, D drive, E drive content. You can see, you can transfer the data or you can manage the data also. Okay. You can analyze the crash reports. So then what is happening? You can uninstall the recent updates and you can uninstall hot fixes. You can, if you change something in registry, then your operating system not working properly, then you can repair that one also from here. So this DART will give you several options for troubleshooting your operating system.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
How to
So
search it, sir?
when you are going to these options, it may shows DART option. Sometimes you need a DART image means a bootable CD or a bootable pen drive. Okay, that is difficult to find. I have it. That's difficult to find. Very.